Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dionne. Alright, today we are going to be reviewing the Jeffree Star Concealer and the powder. I am in C20 in the concealer and I got the banana powder. The C20 is really nice. I think it highlighted my face, you know, good. I mean, yes, could it be more highlighted? Of course it can. But when I went to go back to get a different color, a lighter color, they were sold out. So I'm gonna have to wait till the next go round to get a lighter color, as well as I wanted to go ahead and try the peach, but I didn't realize I wanted those colors to like 3 or 4 days later, so they were already sold out. So, you know, I have to wait till the next go round to try a lighter shade as well as the peach, just to see, you know, if it does anything. I went ahead, my foundation was already done, you'll see in the video. So the only thing I did in the video was apply the concealer and powder, and I did do a wear test, and you will see all that in the video. So if you'd like to see my thoughts and feelings on this concealer and powder, please continue to watch. I realized I forgot to come right back after I did my little completed look, after I put on the Jeffree Star concealer and powder. I was supposed to come right back to let you know what I just decided to come up with, but my sister and mother got here sooner than what I thought, so I didn't even come back on camera. But it is now 6:15 and we left here at like 10:30, and now it's 6:15, so that's like pretty much 8 hours, 7-8 hours of Jeffree Star concealer and powder that I've had on. And if I must say, it's a go for me. I mean, I like it. I do. I mean, there is a little bit of, like, some of it came off right up under here. This is a little bit more, like, this side doesn't really show too much creasing. Not really. I mean, some, because like as always, it's going to be a little settling, especially because it's been 8 hours, you know what I'm saying. But this side, actually, some came off, but that's only because I was with my mother and sister, and we be cracking up. And so, you know, like water and tears come out your eyes, so of course, you know, it's going to come off that way. That's why this side is a little, but it's, you know, whatever. But anyway, I just wanted to say that the Jeffree Star powder and concealer is nice. I really like it. I mean, I like the way the concealer blend out, and I like the way the powder set. I think it looks really good. I like it. Let me see. Can y'all see that? See right here where I was crying a bit from laughter, and then this side, which is still pretty much, you know, pretty much good. I think it looks good. I do. You know, my eyes are just basic. I just got on flesh tone color on my eyes, and I put a wing liner black, and then a little glitter on top of that, and line on top of that, and that's it. Nothing special. I was going out with my peeps, and you know, when the girls hang out, we have fun. So whatever. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you so much for watching. And again, giveaway video is coming, y'all. It is coming. I'm still waiting on my order to get here. I did get an email saying that it won't arrive until May 6th though. May 6th. That's what, next Monday or what have you. So yeah, unfortunately it's just, it is what it is. This giveaway is going to be late, but I will be prepared for the next one, because I went ahead and I already ordered a gift for the 400 subscribers. I already did. I'm gonna be on time next time, for real. So I've already ordered that next gift for the next one. So anywho, thank you all so much for watching. If you have not done so already, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment on the video, and please hit that notification bell so that you never miss when I upload a video. Love you. Bye.